Hello and hi friends, welcome back to Krishna's tutorials. I am very glad to announce that I am starting a series of videos in which I will be talking all about CLAT 2022. So in this particular video, that is part 1, I will be explaining you what is CLAT, what are the very basic details that you must know, and what is tentative schedule of CLAT 2022, and what is the application fee, okay, how much you have to pay to apply for CLAT 2022, and CLAT 2021 exam stats and CLAT 2021 toppers. So all these details are very important details. So we will be covering all these details very deeply. So friends, before beginning the video, I would like to tell you that these are the important features of Unacademy app, where various courses and various batches for CLAT 2020 2 and 23 are started. So you can look over the important features, raise a hand and talk to the educator in live class, unlimited quizzes. You can also launch a quiz anytime, anywhere, live and recorded sessions, opportunity to learn from the best educators and NLU alumni. There will be weekly events like Know Your Exam Topper Strategies, NLU experiences by faculty. You can also access to national mock test and week and sectional test. So Lao Rama is a beginners batch for CLAT 2023. So those who are in 11th standard can definitely join this course if interested. So it will be starting on 13th October 2021. uh, Language of the course is Hindi, and it is a 2 years course. Raise a hand feature is there. Live voice solutions by the top educators, 50 plus additional mock test and weekly sectional tests will be there. Monthly CA and GK compendium will be provided, and you can look over the mentor names here. La Vista is a beginners batch for CLAT 2023. So it is starting on 15th October 2021. So English plus Hindi. So it is a 2 years course. So raise a hand feature, and the same features are there, and you can look over the mentor names here. So if you want to take any subscription on Unacademy, so don't forget to use my code. My code is GKK10. So if you use this code, you will get additional 10% discount. So live quiz feature for the students, you can look over the details. There will be weekly tests on Unacademy app. So like Unacademy Lab 2 test and weekly T20 test, which is a quick 20 minutes revision test for your everyday practice. So definitely you can attend all of these quizzes, and it is absolutely open for everyone, and that too for free. So subscribe to Unacademy CLAT channel and stay tuned. Comment on our videos and let us know what you feel. Do show us some love by liking and sharing our videos. So friends, first of all, let us start with what is CLAT and what are the basic details of CLAT. So CLAT is nothing but an entrance test. Okay, the full form of CLAT is Common Law Admission Test. So that the name itself says that it is an admission test. So if you want to take admission in national law universities and affiliated colleges, so you must write CLAT 2022. So that is if you want to take integrated LLB admission and LLM admission in NLUs and affiliates, so you must write CLAT 2022. So only Indian citizens should write CLAT 2022. Foreign nationals need not to write CLAT 2022 for admission into NLUs, okay, national law universities. So that is the full form. CLAT stands for Common Law Admission Test. So the level of exam is national level exam. So it is a national level exam where many students all over India apply for the exam and give a tough competition for each other. So purpose, so to provide admissions into integrated LLB and LLM in NLUs and affiliates. So the very purpose of conducting CLAT 2022 is filter the students to give admissions into integrated LLB, that is nothing but BA LLB, BCom LLB, BSc LLB, like this. So that courses are called integrated LLB courses. So the duration of the course will be 5 years, and of course LLM in NLUs, national law universities and affiliate colleges. Next, conducting body. So executive committee of consortium will conduct CLAT 2022. So scheduled once in a year. So CLAT 2022 will be conducted only one time in 2022. So it will be conducted once in a year, not twice. So CLAT 2022 application fee as per 2021, so it will be 4,000 rupees per candidate. So for SC/ST it is only 3,500 rupees. So previous year paper cost will be 500 rupees. So application mode online. So you must apply for CLAT 2022 by using computer or laptop or phone, so whatever it may be. So it must be online mode. So academic year 2022-2023, that means if you take CLAT 2022 and get good rank, so you must take admission in that that particular year only, so that particular academic year only. So you don't have any claim that I have passed CLAT 2022 and I will take admission in 2024-25. So that is not correct and they will not accept it. So CLAT 2022 tentative schedule. So let us look over events and exam dates. So all these dates are tentative. So we can expect the notification on first week of January 2022. Last date to submit the filled in application form March 2022. Release of the admit card April 2022. Exam date May 2022. So the answer key releasing will be third week of May 2022. So results may come on June 2022. Date for merit list June 2022. Starting for the counseling June 2022. So this is the tentative schedule. CLAT 2021 exam stats. So these are the exam stats of CLAT 2021. So there are 70,277 students who registered for CLAT UG and PG. So then number of candidates who are downloaded admit cards 66,887. So candidates appeared in CLAT 2021 62,106 candidates. So out of 62,106 candidates, around 52,000 students appeared for UG and remaining students appeared for PG, that is nothing but LLM. Next, total number of test centers. So in 2021, CLAT is conducted across 147 exam centers in 82 cities. So let us look over CLAT 2021 toppers so that you may get an idea how much marks to get top rank. So Manhar Bansal got first rank with marks of 125.5 out of 149. So CLAT will be conducted for a maximum marks of 150, but 1 mark is left because of some objections. Okay, so out of 149, Manhar Bansal got 125.5 and air rank is all India rank is first rank. So next, Nidhi Agarwal got second rank with 117 marks. Karthik J. Lal got third rank with 117 marks. Shweta Ramchandran got fourth rank with 115.5 marks. Sukram Sharma got fifth rank with 115.25 marks. So the highest marks are 125.5 and lowest marks are minus 8.75. So there are some students who got 0 marks also. So the remaining details will be explained in the upcoming parts. So stay tuned, do subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified. So that's all in this video, friends. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.